little book.
My next door neighbor book. Mr.
Inspections.
Oh,
This goes to your car. See, there's a picture of the back car. So you've got the barrels on the front. It just tells you how to do it. It tells you how to do it. You gotta learn to read. You have to learn to read. So you gotta know what the words are. So battery saves information. There's this picture of a Lots of
mandatory.
You a butter stick? You like that? You want me to take? That's my watch. I gotta know what time it is. That's what it says. It says it's 10, 7:10, I think. Because the time. It tells me what time it is. It's like time for you to take a nap.